Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Bacoor, Cavite, kung saan we have our new project, Sydney Oasis by Philinvest Land Incorporated. This is a 15,000 square meter mid-rise condominium, resort type condominium. So located tayo sa Aguinaldo Boulevard. This is way papuntang Tagaytay, Dasmariñas and Imos, Cavite. Dito naman sa kanan, yan, pag kumaliwa ka pag ganon ay Coastal Road and going Mall of Asia. Ayan, so accessible tayo through Cavitex. Ayan, so saglit lang yan, nandiyan ka na kaagad sa may tollway ng Cavitex. Pag kanan mo naman, we have a way going Festival Mall, Philinvest Alabang, and then Las Piñas, and then Muntinlupa. And so once again, this is Sydney Oasis at Bacoor, Cavite. Ayan. God bless you all.